Moonlighting Ultra Pro Max, UK Prime Minister to Goldman Sachs. Capgemini WNS acquisition, why this is a big thing. Microsoft layoffs and the news that we covered recently. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be important. Make sure that you watch this video till the very end. Let us move forward. The first thing I want to ask you all is that have you seen some of the memes that were trending on Instagram, on Twitter, on other social media platforms stating that in NYC they are having this question, are we dating the same guy? And in San Francisco, they are asking the question, are we hiring the same guy? There are memes like these, like Soham Parik logging into work. There are memes like, Mom and Dad, how did we get so rich? Your dad is Soham Parik, kids. Now, I'm going to answer this question for all of you guys. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that. This is very important for you to get regular updates about the videos that we post online, and it motivates us as well. The second question is that you might have heard all of these small memes, right? Gary Tan, who is the founder and CEO of Y Combinator, also mentioned that what exactly is happening with this Soham guy. Okay, so basically, what exactly is happening? Software engineer juggled 3 to 4 startup jobs in stealth, sparking outrage and curiosities across tech world. So there is a guy named Soham Parekh who is basically a software developer from India, and he has became a name on everyone's mouth, right? Why? Because he got 4 to 5 startups that he's working right now, and all the startups he himself cleared the interviews, not doing any kind of any issues, or he cleared the interviews himself, the coding down, the interview assessments, and all those things by himself. And then he was working in multiple tech companies simultaneously without any other company knowing about them. So that is the reason one of the like tweet I want to read it out, that Som Parik needs to start a interview preparation company. Same thing happened when there was an employee, there was a Harvard student, I guess. That person created some application which was not detected by the Amazon's like interview assessment examination, right? And that is the reason he cleared a lot of interviews. So he got a lot of funding, and he started his own company also. So the same thing can be done by Som Parik, this guy. He can start his own company, interview preparation material, and a lot of other things, right? So coming back to the next thing, that is the acquisition that is done by Capgemini, which is for 28,280 crore deal. So Capgemini is a French company, French giant, who has bought this Indian BPM technology firm. Okay, they are going to pay in cash, and this is worth 3.3 billion dollars. This will help Capgemini to like go into the BPM technology space. They can implement their AI technologies there, and thereby increase a lot of profits for their company, right? Next thing, again, guys, I want to remind you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've already not done that. Okay. Next thing is coming from PM. Okay, the ex-PM of UK, United Kingdom, that is Mr. Rishi Sunak, who is the son-in-law of Infosys chairman and founder, that is Mr. Narayana Murthy, right? So as you all know that he is going to basically inherit, his wife is basically going to inherit a lot of shares of Infosys, and they're richer than the Queen of England herself when she was alive, right? So this is a very big thing. So now Rishi Sunak, as you all know, that he was a management consultant, I think banker basically. He did his like masters, and then he started as a like at Goldman Sachs as the analyst, right, financial analyst, and now he's again going back after 2 decades. He's going into like from finance to politics, and from politics to again finance as a consultant, right? So this is what is happening right now. Okay, people who are coming from different backgrounds, they are going into some other profession, and again coming back to the same profession. This is not new in IT, right? The next important thing is regarding TCS. So TCS is basically going to declare their quarterly results, okay, on 10th of July, that is tomorrow. And everyone will be closely monitoring what is going to happen, what are the results, what would they say about the company's overall performance, and what will they be hiring or not. Okay, so this will be the concern, right? So now there is an analysis, like some other brokerage companies, they are providing estimation of 1 to 3% year on year growth, around 12,040 crore rupees. And so this is what the estimated is, and they are expected, revenues are expected to rise by 2.7% to 3.8%, right, something like that. So this is what like that the forecast for, or the estimation by different brokerages. So tomorrow is going to be an important day for a lot of IT companies, because other companies also might have more or less the same kind of profits or revenues that TCS is doing. Definitely TCS has better margins, but let us see it tomorrow. Okay, with this I would like to close our video. So if you have any topic that you want us to discuss in brief, do let us know in the comment section. We will happily create videos on that particular topic with in detailed discussion. Thank you and have a great day.